Hey guys, so welcome to this week's video. So I'm going away to Cornwall on Saturday, so I'll probably be away when you're watching this. And I thought the weather is going to be a bit of everything. It's either going to be cold, rainy, windy or warm. So I'm going to take a bit of everything. So I'm going to try and plan outfits to take with me. So I thought, why not make a video of it? But yeah, I've got no idea really what I'm going to take. I'm just going to have to go through all my stuff and see. So yeah, so let me tell you what the weather's going to be like. So let me get it up on my phone. So I obviously use the Apple weather, and we're going in Newquay. So I've been looking at Newquay, that's where we're staying. And at the moment, so we're going on Saturday, and let me show you here. It's literally saying like light rain, percentage of rain, but it's still like 17, 16, 15 degrees. So to me, that could be like a hot 15, 16 degrees. It could be a cold 15, 16 degrees, you know, either way. And I also look on the BBC weather website. So let's have a look at that. And yeah, now this one's saying less rain, just sunny intervals and moderate breeze, but still the same temperatures. So yeah, I'm just going to pack a bit of everything, but I thought why not film it, take you along the journey with me trying to find outfits, trying on outfits, seeing what's going to work, and yeah, just trying to make some outfits up for you. So it's sort of like a pick outfits with me. So what I do want to do is I do want to try and find some outfits that I can be quite like controversial with. So is that the word? I don't know, but so I can, you know, have the same bottoms, just swap out a t-shirt or a jumper and stuff like that, so then I haven't got to take as much with me. But yeah, let's just see what I can come up with. Okay, so this is the first sort of outfit I put together. It's this top from Topshop, and then my Primark straight leg jeans. Shoes wise, I was thinking I'm going to try and take just 3 pairs, so I think I'm going to take these Topshop trainers, black Converse high tops, and then my chunky Doc Martens. To be fair with this outfit, I think any of them will go. Jacket wise, maybe this one. I'm not sure. Or maybe my leather jacket. Just like so. Yeah, I like that. And then I think any of the shoes will go. Yeah, maybe put these on and they would look quite cool. Okay, so that's one outfit. And then I was thinking I'll probably be able to swap out the top, like I said, to some sort of jumper. Let's try this jumper on. So I put my light on, so I hope that doesn't affect the lighting too much, but I've tried this jumper, which is actually a vintage jumper. I got it from literally a vintage shop, so I can't tell you where it's from. It's got no labels in it or anything. And I've tucked it into the same Primark straight leg jeans and put Doc Martens on. I think it's quite a cool outfit. And then jacket wise, as I say, you've got the leather again. Or I probably will be taking this one too, my black teddy coat, just in case it is a bit chilly. So that would obviously go with it too. So I've just swapped out for another jumper, which is just this teddy jumper, which it's from Pull & Bear, I think, or Bershka, one or the other. But I think this is really nice, and I've just kept my Doc Martens on. As I said, I feel like with these outfits, any of the shoes that I'm taking will go. I think those 3 shoes are quite statement shoes that will go with quite a lot. With this, hopefully I wouldn't need a jacket. I think I am going to take some other jeans. And obviously I'm going to take some layering pieces. I'm going to take, like, you know, like little ribbed tops and stuff like that. They are always good to like layer underneath stuff if it is chilly. Like I could put it underneath this. Jean wise, I think I'm going to take, they're almost the same jeans. They are from Primark, slightly different style. I think I'll take the blue ones too. I like to go with the same sort of stuff. Yeah, I just want to try and take outfits instead of random clothes, because I do that quite a bit where I just take random stuff and then I get there and I find it really hard to piece the outfits together. So I'm going to try and piece outfits together before I go. So these are the other jeans I'm going to take. I've just put them on for you, and I'm just put on this top. Very simple outfit, but you can't really go wrong. And then yeah, jacket wise, very simple really. I mean, I prefer to wear this with an all like black outfit, but I might take this because you can just jazz up a fit. It's quite an autumnal coat, but yeah, could take this, and then you could wear your Doc Martens or the trainers or the Converse. As I said, I don't want to take too many shoes because they're like a bit annoying to take, so I do feel like the three that I've got will just go. Okay. So this next fit is these fake leather, like leggingy trousers. These are from Topshop. I got them in the sale around Christmas last year, so I don't know. They probably do similar ones, though. I normally put my Doc Martens on with these. I do look a bit like I'm going horse riding, but you know. And I put just the same top on. Yeah, these are just quite nice to put on, even if you have like a jumper hanging over it. So this is another really simple outfit. I got these in Primark last year, I want to say, and I think they did do a matching blazer, but I didn't get it. And just a black roll neck, which mine is from Topshop. And then yeah, you can literally shove on a leather jacket, and then you got an outfit, and you just look a little bit edgier. This one obviously looks really basic. It is a t-shirt just with some writing on and a denim skirt. And then I'll chuck this oversized aviator jacket on, and voila. And then I probably would wear my Docs with this, just to look a bit more. And then with this as well, I think I would put on this jumper. So then yeah, I swap out this jumper. I take this jumper everywhere with me. So it looks obviously quite plain on the back. And then on the front, the back, I mean, it just says "get off my back" in these cool letters. So yeah, I'll probably take that, wear it like this, chuck the cool jacket on, and voila, even more wintry. And with Doc Martens again, I would say. I don't really know how many more outfits I'm gonna need. I'm going for a week, but obviously like with the jeans and stuff, there's just, I can just take different t-shirts to swap in and out. And oh, I might take this. So this is, oh, looks a bit stretched. A midi dress I got in Zara at Christmas. Let's put it on. Let's try it on. So this is the dress. It's got a bit of roll neck. It's quite a thick rib material. I'd probably, let's put these on. I'm just going to put one on because I can't be arsed. Do like that. Which I think looks quite cool. Actually, and then I'd probably just shove on this leather jacket so you can just see the shape of it. And then I'd probably take some actual skinny jeans too, obviously, because that can go with quite a bit. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for helping me pick a few outfits to put together to take. I am obviously going to take like more tops and like sweatshirt jumpers just to swap in and out, just in case. And obviously, you know, I'll take the usual hoodies and all of that. But it's just nice to plan like a couple of outfits, and now I just know I've got, just take some things to swap in and out depending on the weather, because this time of year it's hard when you go away in England. Like, you don't really know what the weather's going to be like, if it's going to be like slightly warmer, windy, cold, like you just have to prepare for everything. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope it gave you some sort of inspiration. Yeah, they're all quite simple outfits, but you know, going away I'm going to be walking around towns and stuff. I don't exactly want to be uncomfortable. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any other video requests or video ideas, just leave them in the comments down below and I will see what I can do. But I hope you have a lovely day, a lovely weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Much love. Bye.